The one, the only, Daesung. How do you say this? Hando Chogwa. Hando Chogwa. What does that mean? Okay, I looked it up and it's like over limit, or exceeding the limit. Hando Chogwa. I know it's gonna be like try because I think I've seen little clips in here. I know Sana's in it, which is even more amazing. But Daesung all day. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin.
안녕하세요. 배성이라고 합니다.
Sana.
어디서 오셨어요?
오사카에서
오사카. 감사합니다.
Saka.
지금 이 순간이 가장 좋은 거. so wonderful.
Oh my god. He's so loud. He always been. He's also introverted, which is crazy.
여기 맛있네요.
Oh.
한도 좋아.
Ooh.
한도 좋아?
Oh, that's so embarrassing. But also, I got another card. Yup. Always have another card prepared. How much is it? $153? That seems right. That seems like LA prices. He got a glass of Cabernet Sauvignon, bottle Pinot Noir, dessert wine glass, chocolate tart, cheese plates. Like all y'all just ate and drank and eat like affogato. Subtotal 141. Damn, they can put the taxes and everything. 153.69. Okay, 153. Yeah, that's like a date night in LA. I know that's not LA, but I'm just comparing. Damn, it still didn't go through.
내가
한도 좋아.
내가 할게 없어.
괜찮아. 오빠 괜찮아.
Oh,
있어.
oh, the black card.
오빠가 할게.
How many cards? Boy, you have. What's happening? Oh, he got powers. What happened? He's close. Whoa. Okay, sir. Ooh, okay. Oh, one. Oh, wait. Wow. Oh, with his breath, his air. Oh, he looks buff. Daesung, I love you. Whoa. Oh. How do we solve this? Oh. Yeah. Yes, Daesung. Oh my god. Oh, that's what he's dreaming. I just realized. 바보야. Oppa. Ooh, okay, vocal. Dang, he dripped out. Ooh. Hey. Double heart. Oh. Over the limit, yo. Hey. That's so fun. Oh. Okay. 한도 초과야. What the? My heart is over the limit. It's crazy. I love that. It's so catchy. I mean, his past ones were really good too. Hey, he looking snatched. The slide of the hand of the like card.
오빠,
Oh, he's sleeping.
오빠 일어나 봐.
Oh,
나 계산 다 했어. 가자.
oh, she paid.
사나 계셨어? 사나는 한다. 수고야. 사나 짱.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Damn. Daesung's vocals are just next level. I saw a comment on this video that says we need to get these views up so he can pay Sana back. Sana got money too. You could pay Sana, listen. You could pay for me anytime. No, when he started like blowing the barbell, blowing the wind push-ups, oh my god. Daesung's always been funny. And I really do relate to him when he does his interviews, when he said that I'm introverted. So basically he gives all energy. He probably just recharges battery back at home, which I relate so hard to. Like, I feel like people think I'm hella extroverted. I am not. People don't realize I'm just talking to a camera by myself every time I go out, and then like let's say go to an event or a party, I need to recharge for like 2 days. Dang. Hando Chogwa. Wow. Thank you, Daesung. Thank you, Sana. Appreciate y'all. All right, y'all. Put a comments down below what you guys think. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Be sure to like this video for Daesung and Sana. Like this video so Sana could get paid back. I've reacted to the Melon Music Awards and Mama Awards on my Patreon. It's free to watch. Go check it out. All you gotta do is follow. And yeah, I'll see you guys into the next video. Happy holidays, y'all. Till next time. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for $1 to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Dre Gammon. I'm there every day.